Right, welcome to CSONS at home. Okay, so this week our starter is fish based. I suppose our menu this week has got a bit of a kind of Germany feel to it. So we've got some cured jerk trout, some spelt and fava bean risotto, some of those lovely microherbs, nice poached eggs, some mustard dressing, and some garlic parsley. So first thing we need to do is just get that filled up with some water. And we'll get the water into our eggs. Okay, I'm just going to bring it up to a boil and then we'll drop the eggs in. But in the meantime, we've got our pan ready for our risotto. So there's some stock on top, so I reckon if you just pop that in the pan. And then basically what we're going to try and do is boil away that stock, and that will finish the risotto and sort of heat it up. Water boiling, so put the eggs in and turn it off. Then start getting the pan hot for the tray. Okay, right, pan's hot. Put a little bit more in the pan. I'm just gonna shouldn't need much seasoning, if any. Put them on, get a little bit of colour on each side. And whilst that's colouring up on the one side, we'll finish our risotto off with a little bit of the garlic parsley. Stir that in just lightly coloured. With the risotto, you want it to, you don't want it to be too wet, and hopefully it will just about hold. The salt on the egg. Like that.